Testing of Hyundai HGN12 air circuit breakers. The basic settings will be set by the customer. For testing, we add a 220 volt AC power supply. At first, we trip the air circuit breaker manually. Then we perform a long time delay test, and after about 15 seconds the breaker trips. Then we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly. Lastly, we trip the breaker with the help of the UVT. The same process is repeated for the second air circuit breaker. As well as the third circuit breaker. It is now clear that all three air circuit breakers are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.